up, guys? Welcome to another Doctor Who step-by-step video. Today it's time for the 7th Doctor, Sylvester McCoy. There has been 6 other Doctor Who step-by-step videos. If you would like to go check them out, then be sure to go click right here to go do so. Alright? Because I'm not going to tell you how this is going to work out. So just go watch them. They're not that long, so go check them out. Alright, like I said, it's time for the 7th Doctor, Sylvester McCoy, the last Doctor of the original series. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here's 10 quick facts. Number 1, he was born on the 20th of August, 1943. Number 2, his real name is Percy James Patrick Kent Smith. Number 3, he is the first Scottish actor to have ever played the role as the Doctor, succeeded by, of course, David Tennant. Number 4, he is also very famous for having a role in the 2012 movie The Hobbit. Number 5, he played the Doctor from 1986 to 1989. Number 6, he was the last original Doctor to be in any episodes before this show was cancelled. Number 7, his father died in World War II shortly before he was born. Number 8, in 1990, he was voted the #1 Doctor by the Doctor Who magazine. Number 9, he has been in 6 movies in his lifetime, 7 if you count the new Hobbit film that's going to come out in December of 2014. Number 10, he is married, and he has 2 sons. Alright, now it's time from my perspective. My favorite episode with Sylvester McCoy as the Doctor was the Remembrance of the Daleks episode from 1988. My least favorite episode with him was the episode Survival from 1989. My favorite companion of his was Ace. My least favorite companion of his was Mel. Alright, now it's time for my favorite quote. So what you're about to see is a clip from the 1988 episode Remembrance of the Daleks, where the Daleks explode. So check out that clip, and I hope you enjoy it.
Relax. Relax. 3, 2, 1, down!
Alright, now my favorite late episode, by that I mean episode from after he went off as Doctor, but still in Doctor Who, or related to Doctor Who, was the 5-ish Doctors reboot from 2013. Alright, and you can go click right here to see my favorite clips with Sylvester McCoy as the Doctor. It's really good clips, guys. Go check them out. Just do it. Really good clips. Alright, that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out my Facebook and my Twitter page. Be sure to check out my main channel. But most importantly, be sure to check out my next video, which you can watch right here. Alan Z.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.